Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To prepare this recipe, we will be needing ginger. You just need a small piece of ginger like this. So before I proceed, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Ginger is too strong, so you don't need to use a big size, just small piece is okay. So ginger is powerful for strengthening the roots of the hair. It helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, helping to treat hair loss. If you have hair thinning and some bald spots, using ginger will help to reverse all those problems. So once I'm done cutting, I'm going to transfer to this bowl here, and I'll keep it aside as we proceed to the next ingredient. Moving on to the next ingredient, we will be needing cinnamon. Cinnamon is powerful for strengthening hair, making it thicker and stronger. If you've never tried cinnamon, you need to start using it and include it to your hair care routine. So it helps to treat scalp issues like dandruff and flakes. If you want to increase hair thickness, you have some bald spots, then you need to start using cinnamon. I have been using cinnamon for a while now. This is not the first time I'm using it, and it helps to stimulate blood circulation, helping to increase their thickness as well as stopping scalp issues like flakes and dandruff. I'm also going to be adding rosemary. I will be using dried rosemary, but you can also use fresh. Rosemary is also another powerful ingredient. If you've never tried rosemary, you need to start including it to your hair care routine and experience its benefits. This herb is powerful for increasing hair thickness, growing hair faster, fastening hair growth, as well as treating baldness and scalp issues. So using rosemary consistently is going to reverse all the hair problems that you have. I have been using rosemary for a long time. I don't like to skip it in most of my hair growth recipes, and it has really helped me to grow my hair. Now I'm gonna put all the ingredients to a pot, starting off with the rosemary. I'm going to be adding just 2 tablespoons. Feel free to use any amount of ingredients. I'm also going to be adding some cinnamon sticks, like 5. You don't need to use a lot because cinnamon is too strong. If you have the other cinnamon sticks, just use 2 of them. Once I'm done putting all the ingredients together, I'm gonna be adding some water. Just use any amount of water depending on the amount of treatment you want to make. After adding water, now I'm gonna give it some stir, and after that I'm gonna cover it, and I will transfer the mixture to a stove and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, now it is started boiling, as you can see. So I'm gonna keep on stirring for those minutes, and after that I will remove it from heat and allow it to cool down. You do not need to cook this mixture for long because you don't want to destroy important nutrients. So I went ahead and left it to cool down for a few minutes, and this is how the treatment is looking like. Now I'm gonna be straining out, and I'll be using a strainer. Feel free to use anything that you have to strain out. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it, and if so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so you won't miss my new uploads if you're new to this channel. So right now I'm gonna transfer the mixture to an applicator bottle so I can be able to apply faster without mess or without wastage of time. This spray should be applied on both scalp and hair. So before applying to your hair strands, make sure to apply it on your scalp first and then take time to massage it so that it can penetrate to the scalp and promote blood circulation. Massaging your scalp helps to increase blood circulation, and an increased blood circulation helps to increase fast hair growth. So as you can see now, I applied on my scalp and then I moved the hair strands and to the ends of my hair, saturating each single hair strand with it. Once I'm done with that section, I always like to twist it back. I will proceed to the other sections of my hair and I make sure that I repeat the same process until I complete each section. And one thing I like to do after I apply any treatment is to follow up with a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner and then hair butter or oil. This helps to seal in moisture and lock it. So every time you apply any leave-in spray, make sure to follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Leave-in sprays tend to be drying, so if you leave them like that without applying any cream, your hair is going to dry out. So always follow up with this step. So once you apply this treatment, just take time to massage. This spray also helps to detangle your hair. In case you have any knot and tangles, it helps to detangle because it has ginger. Ginger for me helps to detangle my hair. So if you want to find something that can detangle your hair at the same time helping to stimulate blood circulation, then you need to use this. If you suffer from hair thinning, you have some bald spots and you experience a lot of hair loss, then you need to make this hair growth treatment and use it on your hair. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair condition. You can also use this as a leave-in. For me, I'm just going to use it as a leave-in. If you want it to work effectively, then you need to leave it on your hair. You can also use this as a rinse out. You just apply it on your hair and leave it for about 30 minutes in a plastic cup, and then after that you can go ahead and rinse it out with water, just plain water, and then follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Then your hair is going to stay healthy and your scalp will also stay healthy. This treatment is not a joke. If you've never tried it out, then you need to give it a try because it has amazing benefits. Once you're done applying the spray, a leave-in conditioner and butter, your hair is going to stay moisturized for a couple of days without drying out. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and leave a comment down below. I will see you in the next video.